Brigade Group is coming up with their newly launched project in Budigiri Cross. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Brigade codenamed Sevilla, which is located in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, large discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing opposite to the project. So just behind me is the land parcel and the marketing office, which is under progress. So basically, the construction work for the marketing office is under progress. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And this project is coming up in total 10.75 acres in which they are coming up with 5 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 43 floors, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located near Old Madras Road in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Budigiri Road and this side you can connect towards the Old Madras Road. You can have a look at the Old Madras Road and now this side you can connect towards Mandu. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. You can connect to KR in just 10 minutes from the project. Whitefield is also 10 minutes away. ORR is 15 minutes from your location and even you can connect to Kampaguda International Airport in just 30 minutes. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities like a thematic park, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play zone, multi-purpose court and many more. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, the project offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies where 1 BHK starts from 705 square feet to 740 square feet. 2 BHK starting from 1101 square feet to 1188 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1380 and goes up to 1750 square feet. 3.5 BHK starts from 1990 to 2010 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, will show you the model flight once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was the project teaser of newly launched project by Brigade Group, that is Brigade codenamed Sevilla, which is located in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.